Hello friends and welcome back to your channel House to Home. This episode is on Nethili Meen Theeyal, a very spicy and tasty fish recipe. You require Nethili Meen. I have taken about half a kg of Nethili Meen here. Coconut oil, salt, drumstick slitted into half, 2 green chilies slitted, onion. You can also alter it with shallots, but I am using regular onion here. Ginger and garlic. 1 tablespoon of cumin seed and pepper. 10 to 15 dry red chilies. Fenugreek, roasted fenugreeks. Turmeric powder. Half a cup of tamarind pulp, 1 cup of grated coconuts. So these are all the ingredients, and now let's start making. At first, let's make the masala. For this you need oil. Add in the dry chilies, pepper and the cumin seeds. Also add in a little curry leaves and roast it in a very low flame for about 1 minute. Now add in the grated coconuts and few pieces of onion and roast it very well until the coconut turns brown. Varutaracha is nothing but roasted coconut masala. So this is the base of the curry. So once you are done, just turn off the stove and let everything cool. Once everything is cool, transfer it to your grinding jar. And make it into a smooth paste along with a little water. I forget to add the fenugreeks here, so I'm adding it now. So my ground masala paste is ready. Set this aside. Now take a pan and add about 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 red chilies, chopped garlics and ginger. Now add in the onion and the green chilies and saute until the onion turns a little transparent. Meanwhile, add the drumsticks. Drumstick is completely optional. Now add in turmeric powder and salt as per your taste. Add tamarind pulp and the ground coconut masala. Add a cup of water and mix everything together. The level of water depends upon the curry that you need. So mix everything together and check the salt. So you can adjust the salt at this stage itself. Now let's add in few curry leaves and the fish pieces. You can use the same recipe and instead of fishes you can add prawns. That also tastes really good. Now mix everything gently and allow the curry to get cooked. Cook until the drumstick and the fishes get cooked well. So that would be the current stage. You can turn off the stove. Hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know your comments and reviews in the comment section box below. This recipe is a very spicy fish curry recipe that tastes awesome with rice. Please like the video and subscribe to House to Home for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching House to Home.